Hi there, today we're unboxing some in-ear headphones. So this particular set is by a company called BETRON. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's take a quick look around the packaging. So it comes in a medium-sized package with an image of the headphones on there. Model here is ELR50 RM Golden. Coming around the side, nothing there, nothing here, and branding details there with the model number. Coming this way, picture of the headphone earpiece and how it's put together. So exploded view of that and some details over here. So the cable length on this is 1.2 meters in length and some general frequency response details there, as you can see. Social media details and website here. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging, so let me quickly go through them one by one. So you get some instructions just to show how to use these headphones, nothing on the other side, and all details are in English. Next you get a carry case, rubbery feel to it, you can see some red stitching on there and some plastic at the top. So if I let go, just see it close shut automatically. Build quality seems reasonable on there. Then you've got some replacement earbuds. So just to show, you got two sets of silicone ones and then the other ones a little bit different, bit more moldable, not seen any like this before, just to show. So a bit different from the norm. Then you've got a clip. This is to assist in clipping the headphones to your clothing. Then the actual headphones themselves. So the connector has a cover on there, gold plated, and you can see the stages on there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on there, meaning there's more likely to be a mic built into there. And if I come in close here, there's the actual controller and the mics at the back there. The gold pieces you see here, they're all metal, and even the earpieces here of the headphones. So build quality seems reasonably good for a budget set of headphones. And cable wise, if I can show, there's a slight twist on there, as you can see. So build wise, it seems okay for a budget set of headphones, and I'm quite impressed how the connectors are metal on there. So it has a good feel to it. Next, let's test out the sound levels that come out of this set of headphones. So I've got my smartphone here, let's plug it in to the headphone jack at the bottom. And if I take one of the earpieces, I've got my sound level meter here. I'm going to place it over there. But for a moment, let's go quiet and see what the ambient noise level in the room's like. So 37 decibels we're getting in the room. So if I take the earpiece, place it on there, and then press play for the music. Okay, so I've seen a maximum of 63 decibels coming out of there. Next, I'm going to have a test of the headphones to see what the sound quality is like. So I'll have a little play about with the equalizer settings on my phone and see if it struggles in any way at maximum volume, and also how the bass, mid-range and treble is in terms of sound quality on there. Okay, so I've had a test of the headphones, and in terms of sound quality, it did seem pretty good. Loudness wise, it's not as loud as some of the other headphones I've tried out, which are in-ear headphones, but still sufficient and good for general use. In terms of treble, mid-range and bass, the sound quality was quite good. I've tried different levels out on there and I didn't experience any sort of poor quality. So for a budget range, I'm quite impressed. It does work pretty well. Next thing to show is the actual controller with this. So as you're wearing it, you can control sound levels. So if I press here, you can see the volume going down on my phone. I can increase it over here. And if I double tap the top here, it can skip a track and go to previous track as well. Now if I hold onto the button here, it can initiate a voice service, so quite useful. So if you wanted to make a search on Google Assistant, for instance, you can do that as well. So good functionality from this. So for my next test, I'm just testing out the microphone. So for distance purposes, I'm about 20 centimeters away from the microphone that's just over here. And the sound you're now hearing is the overlay of the recording that's happening through the microphone. So I'm recording the sound directly onto the mobile, and what you're hearing now, I'll overlay that on the video. So as you're watching, you'll know what the sound quality will be like on the microphone. So there you go, you've seen the unboxing and setup of these budget headphones. Sound quality wise, pretty good for the price, and price wise, it is very cheap as well. So there you go, hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing these. Details are in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.